Heading to Las Vegas soon? Before you pack your bags and dream of hitting the jackpot, let's talk about the 10 absolute essentials you need to make your trip a massive success. Trust me, you'll thank me later. First up, a budget you'll actually stick to. Seriously. Vegas is built to separate you from your money, from the casino floor to the fancy restaurants. Decide ahead of time what you're willing to spend on gambling, food, drinks, and shows, and then stick to it. Use a cash envelope system if you have to. Number 2, comfortable walking shoes. I cannot stress this enough. You will walk way more than you think. The casinos look close together, but they are gigantic, sprawling mazes. Your feet will be screaming if you try to do the strip in brand new heels or stiff dress shoes. Third, a portable phone charger. You'll be taking photos, recording videos, using maps to navigate those giant casinos, and calling for ride shares. Your phone battery is going to drain faster than your wallet at a high-stakes poker table. A power bank isn't just a good idea, it's a lifesaver. Next, a hydration plan. It sounds dramatic, but it's crucial. You're in the middle of a desert, which means the air is incredibly dry. Add in all the free-flowing alcoholic drinks, and you have a perfect recipe for dehydration. Bring a reusable water bottle or make it your first mission to buy a big one. Drink water constantly. Number 5, a light jacket or a hoodie. Wait, a jacket in the desert? Yes. While it might be 100 degrees outside, inside every casino, theater, and restaurant, the air conditioning is blasting on full Arctic mode. You'll go from sweating to shivering in seconds. Next on the list, cash for tips. While you can use your card for almost everything, cash is still king when it comes to tipping. From the valet to the bartender who hooks you up with a free drink, to the bellhop in housekeeping, having small bills on hand makes everything smoother and shows your appreciation. Number 7, book your show tickets early. If there's a big-name concert, a magic show, or a Cirque du Soleil performance you're dying to see, book it in advance. The most popular shows sell out fast, and last-minute tickets can get ridiculously expensive. 8th, an ID that is not expired. They are not kidding about this in Vegas. You will get carded everywhere, entering the casino floor, ordering a drink, getting into a club. Make sure your driver's license or passport is current and on you at all times. Number 9, sunscreen and sunglasses. The desert sun is no joke. Even if you're just walking from one casino to another or planning a single afternoon at a pool party, you will feel its power. Protect your skin and your eyes. And finally, number 10, have a plan for getting around. Rideshare prices can surge like crazy, especially after a big show or late at night. Look into the Las Vegas monorail, learn the pedestrian-friendly walking routes and bridges, and know where the designated rideshare pickup zones are. They're often hidden away in parking garages. So there you have it, the 10 things you absolutely need for an amazing Vegas trip. I hope these tips help you have the best time ever. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips. Thanks for watching.